Hello students, Computer Science curriculum of grade 11 in STEM education. This is the curriculum for your next year of grade 11 if you are in grade 10. So I will tell you the curriculum for implementing and for preparing in the summer holiday so you can do well in your capstone projects, because in capstone projects in grade 11 in STEM education we will use programming and mobile applications and web design and connecting the hardware for creating database and interface as a website in the internet or a mobile application connected to internet to your hardware to collect the information from your hardware and send back the results or the output to your hardware. Follow me in this video. Please subscribe to the channel to reach every new and important videos we upload in the channel. We are speaking in different and variety topics. One of them are hardware implementation and creating prototypes and maintaining devices, electronic devices, and programming and how to program different mobile applications or websites or Python programs or AI applications or models. Let's go now and see the curriculum. We start with a topic about network, computer networks, the different topologies of network like star topology, delta topology, bus topology, and what the difference between these topologies, the advantages and disadvantages of different topologies. This is the curriculum. I will put this link in the description so you can read it and prepare for lessons and for sessions. Then we have after okay, this is the network. It will just only 1 week, and then we have a database, fundamentals of database. This session or learning outcome about databases will take 2 weeks, so from 3 weeks from week 2 until week 4, so 3 weeks in databases, and how to implement databases and what the database consists of, and how to connect tables together to each other using different types, one-to-one or one-to-many or many-to-many. And then we have the exam. The exam, it's a application. It's a very important application because it teach you how to create online databases, and it's very useful for implementing web application or website using databases by using MySQL server. This also 2 weeks, week 5 and week 6. And then we have the next one is to create dynamic web application, and here we have 6 lessons or 6 sessions, 6 weeks, and here we will study PHP and how to implement dynamic web page using PHP and SQL code. This is the first semester. The second semester we will teach you about how to use Android Studio for implementing mobile application. So we have the first learning outcome about Android operating system. This 2 weeks, this LO for 2 weeks, and then we have another 2 weeks for drawing content onto the screen using XML. So you will teach XML. It's like HTML. XML, it's like teach HTML. So there is some difference you will learn through this LO. It's 2 weeks also. And then we have another 2 weeks for the relative layout and linear layout, the difference between, and when use relative layout and when to use linear layout. And then we have activity comments and package name and import. And this learning outcome is including programming in Java or Kotlin, but here we will use Java. How to execute, how to implement method, how to call method, how to display, how to assign a variable data, and the different types of variables like string, boolean, integer, and the assignment and debugging and discovering errors and maintaining these errors, correcting these errors, all this in this LO. And how to make a compilation, this only in 2 weeks, week 7 and week 8. And then we have from 9, 10, 11, 4 weeks for object-oriented programming in Java. How to what is Java's class and what is the object, and how to call a method, and all the programming in the Java. Students find view by ID, read data from views, students add checkbox, input fields and radio buttons, conditional code, relational operations, if statement, with submit button, send data to email, multi-screen app, create new activities, use an intent to open another activity. All this including arrays and lists and loops, all the programming in Java from for while or loops, if statements, and then the arrays, lists, all things in programming in just 4 weeks and the final weeks. And here the we finished the curriculum of semester 2. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me, and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to make a like for the video and share it with your colleagues and others to get benefit from this video. We also have another file. This file, because when you install Android Studio, it's very heavy in your machine, so and it will take time and it will make some errors, and you have to correct these errors, so it will take a view effort and time. But here you can to learn how to create mobile application online, and it's very easy. Online compilers for Java, XML, and you will learn easily. Also, you can take course and get certified from online platforms like Coursera or Udemy. This is the article I prepared for you to read it and learn how to. Here the first points are why we are using or learning mobile applications. Why it's very important to learn mobile applications, because it's easy of access, personal interaction, integration with other features, efficiency improvements, marketing and advertising, and top websites for learning mobile applications like Coursera. And this is the link of the Coursera. You can press and go and create account and study and start learning. Udemy also very great Udemy. You can start from Udemy. EDX, you can use EDX also for learning. And Treehouse, also Free Code Camp, very great website, very great website, Free Camp. And here the top websites for mobile app design: Figma, you can use Figma. You can use Adobe XD. You can use Adobe XD. You can use Sketch website. Envision, you can use Envision. And Zeppelin, you can use Zeppelin for creating mobile applications. So I need from you a reflection about what is the best website for learning and what is the best website for creating mobile application. Please like the video, press like and share it, and subscribe to the channel to reach every important topic we upload in this channel. We are here in the channel learn about programming, HTML, CSS, PHP and databases, and exam, how to create mobile application, and how to use all this programming in STEM capstone projects. It's very important. We are here to help you in this channel. Also, we are here to fix all errors in your capstone projects, electronic errors, electrical errors, programming errors, because I am here. Essentially, my background study was electrical engineering, and I have education certification from STEM diploma from American University of Cairo. So I will help you in every topics. Or besides this programming and electronics, we are speaking about the stock market in Egypt and how to invest your money in a stock market. Also, we are here offering you through the videos in the channel about the grants, best grants inside and outside Egypt, scholarships and fellowships outside Egypt, in USA, Germany, Korea, Russia, Romania, France, all Canada, all around the world. If you have any question, ask and I will reply you as soon as possible. Please subscribe to the channel, press like. You will know you don't lose anything if you press like. Thanks for watching the video. With you, engineer and educator Osama Ghandour. Thanks for watching the video.